Hi, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm letting you know that my channel is all about 사자성어. You can check out my first video to get the conception of it. I recommend watching that video before this if you haven't watched it. So what we are going to learn today is 견물생심. As you can see, we have 4 characters here. Let's look at one by one. 견 means to see. 물 means things or objects. 생 means to emerge or arise. 심 means heart or mind. The phrase 견물생심 is talking about human nature, meaning that when you see something that's valuable or beneficial for you, it occurs to you that you want to have it, because that's how you, as a human, are wired. Maybe you will try to take it or buy it, maybe you won't. Whether you act on it or not, it's true that deep inside you inevitably have this urge to own it. The phrase is not about action, it's about the natural feeling that automatically arises the moment you see something that, in most cases, has monetary value. So you could use the phrase when you want to point out the fact that we all tend to have that desire explained above. Here is an example. 지갑을 아무데나 놓지 마. 견물생심이라고 누가 가져갈 거야. And here goes another example. 친구가 새 자동차를 샀는데 나도 갖고 싶더라. 난 평소에 차에 관심도 없는데. 역시 견물생심이야. So that was it for today. I hope today's lesson was helpful to you. If it was, please drop a like on this video. I'm wondering how my examples come across to you. I want to know. Any comments on them will be welcomed. If you have any questions regarding the phrase or Korean language in general, let me know in the comment. I'll try to answer it if that's something that I can help you with. If you want to learn more phrases like this, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.